Hi, good morning. This is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. Today is Monday, May 18th, and this is Middle School ESOL. I hope everyone is well. Let's get started. All right, so yesterday was Sunday, May 17th, 2020. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020, and tomorrow will be Tuesday, May 19th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore today, the high temperature will be 68 degrees and the low temperature will be 55 degrees and it will be cloudy today. All right, just to remind you, an education update, schools will remain closed for the remainder of the 2019-2020 academic year. So, las escuelas estarán cerradas para todo el año académico. Y tenemos que esperar para lo que va a pasar en septiembre. All right, so for the first activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. So on your paper, you will write May 18th, 2020, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to spell 3 words, and you're going to write what you hear. All right, so number 1, A, D, D, R, E, S, S. Number 2, S, T, R, E, E, T. And number 3, C, I, T, Y. So number 1, A, D, D, R, E, S, S. Address. Number 2, S, T, R, E, E, T. Street. And number 3, C, I, T, Y. City. So number 1, address. Number 2, street. Number 3, city. Address, esta es una carta y lo que está en el círculo es la address, la dirección. Address, address. And number 2, street, calle, street, street. Number 3, city, city, city. La ciudad de Baltimore, ciudad, city. All right, so today we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write, we are going to answer questions, we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Miss Palomino, or, tienes otra opción, we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom, es lo que prefieren. All right, so our objective today is I can identify street number, street, city, state, and zip code in an address using colors. Yo puedo identificar el street number, street, city, state, and zip code en una dirección in an address using colors. Y les voy a mostrar lo que es un street number, street, city, state, and zip code. So last week, many students sent me their address so I could bring them their notebooks and a surprise. La semana pasada, muchos de ustedes me mandaron su dirección para que yo pueda traer sus cuadernos y también una sorpresa. So this is an address. This is an example of an address. Es un ejemplo de una dirección. So this is one example of an address. This is a map. Es un mapa. Y aquí está Highlandtown Elementary Middle School. And this is the address for Highlandtown Elementary Middle School number 237. The address is 231 South Eaton Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. This is the address for Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. The street number is 231. That's the street number, 231. The street is South Eaton Street. The street is South Eaton Street. Pero a veces no es siempre street. Algunas calles son avenue or road or place, se depende. Or highway. The city is Baltimore. The city is Baltimore. The state is Maryland. Pero para Maryland decimos MD for the state. And the zip code is 21224. So the zip code, o el código postal, is 21224. That's the zip code for Highlandtown Elementary Middle School. There are many different zip codes in Baltimore City. Hay muchos zip codes, hay muchos códigos postales in Baltimore City. This is Highlandtown. 21224 is Highlandtown. All right, so this is the address for Aslo International Foods, 3800 East Lombard Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. Esta es la dirección. The street number for Taco Bell on Pulaski Highway is 3319. That's the street number. The street for the Hispano-American grocery is South Highland Avenue. For Latin American Flavor Restaurant and Bar, this is the address, but the city is Baltimore. For Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 215, porque hay dos escuelas con el mismo nombre, Highlandtown Elementary Middle School. Nosotros estamos en 237, pero hay otra escuela con el nombre Highlandtown que está muy cerca a nosotros, and it's 215. And this is the state, MD, Maryland. And for Chicken Rico, que está muy cerca a la escuela, the zip code is 21224. The zip code. All right, so for this activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil, o también hay un documento en Google Classroom que puede llenar. So we are going to answer questions, and I want you to write the question and the answer. Quiero que escriben la pregunta y también la respuesta. All right, so this is the question. Y quiero que escribes the question and the answer. So the question, what is the street number for this address? Dollar Tree, 3820 East Lombard Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. What is the street number para esta dirección? ¿Cuál es the street number? Entonces quiero que escribes la question y también que escribes la answer. What is the street number? The street number is, ¿cuál es el street number de esta dirección? All right, what is the street? What is the street? ¿Cuál es la street para esta dirección? Aldi, 8670 Pulaski Highway, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. The street is, ¿cuál es la street? So what is the street? Escribe la pregunta y también la respuesta. The street is, ¿cuál es la street? What is the city? Para esta address, para esta dirección. Top Rank Barbershop, 100 South Conkling Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. The city is, ¿cuál es la city? De esta dirección, de esta address. What is the city? The city is, ¿cuál es la city? All right, what is the state? What is the state for this address? Breath of God Church, 141 South Clinton Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. The state is, ¿cuál es la state de la dirección? All right, what is the zip code? What is the zip code para esta dirección? Virginia S. Baker Recreation Center, 2601 East Baltimore Street, Baltimore, Maryland, 21224. What is the zip code? The zip code is, ¿cuál es la zip code? All right, so you can turn in your work on Google Classroom. Pueden entregar la tarea por Google Classroom, or you can take a photo of your work and send the photo to Miss Palomino by email or through WhatsApp. And if you have questions or want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. All right, I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.